Hey, welcome to Next World. Okay, before we start our tutorial, you have to know about code editor. It's nothing but we use it for edit our code, text, element for display or output. Here we have lots of text editor available like VS Code, Sublime, and normal text editor or Notepad. Here we can you can see there are some of them. You can use which one you want, and here I'm using VS Code editing our content. And another things you have to know about the browser. Browser is nothing but it's display all our HTML content. There is a output as output. In case of browser, also we have lots of like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. And here I'm using Google Chrome. I hope you all are familiar with it. So let's start introduction of HTML. So what is HTML? Normally HTML stands for hypertext markup language. That's the meaning, and it describes the structure of web page, how the display content, how require output or design on the browsers. And it consists of series of elements. To understand this, we have to know what elements in HTML. Elements are represented by tag, and now the question is, what is tags in HTML? So tags is a special word or letter surrounded by angle brackets. You can see the tag word closed by the less than or greater than brackets for the understanding. That is called tags in HTML. And we used tags to create HTML element. Okay, the element such as paragraph or links tags, p tag, a tag with opening and closing. It defines elements. In HTML, lots of tags you will find. I just declare some tags which are frequently used in HTML. Some tags are flowing, you can see here. BR tag, this tag used for line break in HTML. Body tag used is one of the main tag in HTML. We'll write all our tags inside the body, otherwise it's not valid. That's the kind of rule or structure of HTML. And other button, div, dl, dt, h1, h2. h1 have series like h1, h2, h3, h4, and so on. That's some tags in HTML. Let's see other structure of HTML, like how the HTML look like. The normal structure or HTML should look like that. Here you can see the first HTML, opening and at least ending. The second one, head, is opening, at last ending, and another title is opening and ending. You can notice here every tag have pairs, first open and close with the same tag. If we don't do that, it causes errors. That's a simple. And below the body tags is okay. First you have to create one folder. Just give one name. Okay, I put my project name of this folder, and just go to the text editor, which one now you are using. I'm using VS Code, and open that folder from here like this way. Okay, our folder is here now. You can create new file here. Just click here, new file. Okay, and put the name what you want. It doesn't matter, but keep in mind the extension is always .html, the file extension. Then browser, know that is a HTML file and browser treats like that, otherwise the browser don't know about this. Okay, after that just type HTML. The code editor recommends you HTML element. Okay, and just select and enter it. Here is the HTML. So you don't need to worry about that, these things, the tags, to remember all this stuff. You just focus how it works and how the structure and standard structure of HTML. So you just basic things. Okay, so okay, we don't need this one, we remove it. Okay, and let's write title and save it. We save it, we create file. Okay, just go to the file where you save it and just click or whatever you want to open, and open on your browser. Okay, it's open. Here you can see the title in browser, in the top of the browser. Okay. Okay, let's write some tags, and remember all tags or elements we have to write inside the body tag. Okay, I already mentioned it, otherwise it's cause error, is out of the structure. So let's write h1 tag here. Okay, my h1 tags, write something here and save it. Okay, save it, and after that go to the browser and refresh the browser. Okay, you can see your changes here, the content of h1. Okay, so okay, let's back to the code editor and add another tag. Okay, p tag used for display the paragraph content. And okay, let declare it, write something inside the p tag, and save it, and go back to the browser and refresh the browser. Here you can see the changes. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's try button. Okay, another tag. Just type button and write some name of button here. Okay, just name, and same as previous. Save it, go to the browser and refresh it. You can see the changes. Cool. This is how the HTML works. Okay, that's the basic concept of HTML, code editor or browser. Maybe you know the lots of things and how it works. Okay,